Welcome to Charleston New Homes Guide, Ride with the Guide. I'm Keely Burd, your local new construction expert. Today I'm with Centex Homes here in Sanctuary Cove in Cane Bay. There's a lot happening in this neighborhood right now, some super exciting stuff coming. About June, July, there will be a multitude of homes available, ready to roll, all in pricing, completely designed out, and there really is something for everybody because there's between 3 to 5 bedrooms and 5 different floor plans to choose from. We are located in such a great part of this neighborhood, y'all. You can walk or golf cart to any of the 3 schools from here, and then you have easy access, of course, to all the shopping, grocery, and healthcare, things like that. Today, I'm at the Ibis. I'm coming to you live from this gorgeous front porch here. I love the oversized front porch option. And this is a really nice, easy floor plan. Only 1,750 square feet, featuring 4 beds, 2 baths, but some really great luxury touches, which makes it such a standout for me. So let's get inside and see what it's offering. Welcome to the Ibis. All right off here, the entry, we have the hall and shared bath. Really nice bathroom here. Everybody loves a white, clean look. And the 2 guest rooms are separated nicely, giving them each privacy. This is where on-duty agents are working right now. And this is one of the guest rooms, but if you would want to see the possibilities of what it's more likely to look like, you can see design has done a really cute job in here on decorating this guest room. Again, just these standard features like these 9-foot ceilings and the luxury vinyl plank flooring. Off of this hallway is the laundry room and garage, and it also houses that 4th guest room. And here you can see they're using it also to be able to accommodate buyers here. And here's a little map of the community. And it looks like this summer is going to be a great time if you want to be Sanctuary Cove's newest resident. They will have a number, over 20 houses available for sale this summer. And with 5 different floor plans to choose from, there truly is something for everybody. I love how this Ibis is a really nice, simple, open, easy floor plan. So we're right into the kitchen and dining spaces. And the owner's suite is tucked nicely, very privately in the rear of the home here. What a great little sanctuary for the owners. Dual vanity here. A really nice oversized shower here and a huge walk-in closet. I think that they are delivering so much in this floor plan with only under 2,000 square feet. So around 1,750 square feet. You're getting 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. I just think that this is such a great floor plan for people wanting to keep things easy, but have a great, beautiful brand new home with a gourmet kitchen. I mean, got the stainless steel gas appliances here. Love the granite island, and just accommodates even that little bit of extra seating. And then of course, everybody loves the low country and the weather here. So you have that extra outdoor space to accommodate it. If you want, you could always fence in your yard for the animals. So the Ibis is a great, easy, single story floor plan, really good flow, and a really thoughtful design. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's Ride with the Guide and touring the Ibis by Centex Homes with me. If you have any questions, the on-duty agent would love to help you out. You can pop in or make an appointment. Like I said, if you're shopping this summer, there is some great homes that are going to be available to you. And with everything between 3 to 5 bedrooms to choose from and 5 different layouts, there's certain to be something to fit your needs. Thanks so much again for watching today's Ride with the Guide. We'll see y'all soon.